Hey everyone, I'm Sundereshwar.
And I am Shashidhar.
Hey, hi, I'm Nandini.
So today we have Nandini and Shashidhar with us, and we'll talk about new initiatives that are taken in this community. And well, this is an episode from a playlist called The Explorer's Guide to Being a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So there will be a link of the playlist in the description, and you can see through the series of videos that we have done regarding this. A kind of walkthrough tutorials for the new ambassadors which we will going to have. Okay, so let's start the session, shall we? So first question: how do you feel about people coming up with new initiatives in this community?
Well, so the ambassador program provides us a platform where we can learn and explore and just share what we have learned. And when we share, we learn more. So, coming on to this community, it's very helpful and overwhelming itself. So, whenever we have an initiative or anybody has an idea, it's strongly welcomed always, pretty much always. And then everyone has some or the other help to provide, and it's really good. It's never too hard to put up an initiative and then work on it. You have a guidance from somewhere or the other. Everyone is quite helpful. So yeah, initiatives in this community is useful. Yeah.
So yeah, like coming to initiatives, did you come up with any initiatives as a part of this community?
Well, yes, I currently have my series of sessions going on. It's named as Dave to Be, and there I have people who we aspire to be in the near future. And we strongly want us to be at places such as Microsoft or So I have had guests on Dave to Be, and they have shared their stories about how they began and how things went through them and how their story was a roller coaster. Because every time we have this question about how they started and how they got there, and we never had the chance to ask. So I thought that it will be best to have these questions answered somehow. So yes, Brave to Be is all about getting answered those questions and then knowing their stories and getting inspired. And I am thankful to Miss Inspire to help me get this platform and get this going. So yeah, initiatives are welcomed, as I said.
So, by the way, the Dev2B series that she is talking about is in the same channel, MSInspir. If you go to the videos, there will be a couple of episodes on a few famous people, I would say, and it's a really awesome episodes that I would say because, yes, you need to just see the videos to have a look at it and how awesome they are. So, talking about initiatives, Nandini, what are the other initiatives that you have seen in this community, and what are those initiatives? Can you tell one or two lines for them?
Well, yeah, sure. There are a number of initiatives that have been that people have been working upon in this platform, and let's name it the developer stories. So every month we are provided with a topic, and then each one of us try to put up a perfect blog for it, and then even I personally did a recording on AI one, and then I wrote it on Azure notebooks. So yeah, it was great. It was great an experience, and I started with Azure notebooks itself, and I learned and I wrote a blog, and right now I know things about Azure notebooks. So that is also another way of learning, and developer stories is a great initiative. And then coming on to MSInspir, it has so many things to learn from, starting from podcasts. Then there are so many sessions, and Dave to Be itself is there, and the workshops that are happening, and these series. Everything is inspirational to keep you get going and work more every day. So yeah, MS Inspire has so much content on it. And then coming on to, there are mentoring sessions as well. We newbies can learn from them, from the mentors that actually have worked a lot in this community itself. So yeah, there are a number of initiatives if I come up on listing them all. So yeah, these are the few I know about the most.
Yeah, so people would like to know who all can start an initiative, like if they have an idea what all can do and who can start an initiative if they want to.
Well, you just need an idea and then you need to share it with people. So this platform, as I said, is quite overwhelming and it provides, it's quite intimidating for people who have not usually come up on stages or not, worked on platforms, social platforms like that. Maybe we can name them an ambivert or an introvert. But then coming on to if you have an idea and you want to put it up for people and you want to inspire people, you just have to reach out to the people in community, and they will help you reach out and do that, and form the whole thing. They'll help you in each and everything they can. So yeah, initiatives can be taken by anyone and everyone over here in this community itself. It's quite easy.
Cool. So yes, so the people watching in, if you're an ambassador and if you have a good idea in your mind, you can feel free to approach any one of us, and we'll make sure that your idea is being heard by different people. So, and also one other thing, if you want to get to know about different initiatives, different news and every regarding this Microsoft Learns Ambassador program, we do have a newsletter that comes around monthly, and you can subscribe to it. A link will be given in this video right now, so you can go through there and you can subscribe to the newsletter and get daily updates for the news going around in the ambassador program. Okay, further on moving, can you explain us how did you start your initiative, right from getting the idea and explaining it to others, and well, finally implementing and releasing your first episode?
So, well, it was, as I said, I just reached out to people and I asked out if this idea could work and could actually help people around here. And yeah, so he said that this idea could actually work on, we could work on this and this could help people and it is good. So we started working on it. We started getting some guests for a beginning, and then it somehow rolled upon and we just had our first episode out. And the teamwork is always appreciated over here. Sundar makes you're here yourself. So yeah, Sundar make every changes on those videos and put those ideas to it. It's just like modifying a thing to another level. So yeah, putting those ideas onto something is a great part. So that is the beginning of this initiative. Was, as I told you earlier, I just wanted to know stories of the people who are actually there where I want to be someday. So those questions need to be answered, and it's not me alone who wants those questions answered. So I thought that sharing those answers would be a great initiative. So that is where I started, and then I talked to Dawood, I talked to Salman, and a few more people in the community, and there we go. Then Sundar helped in editing those videos, getting recordings done. So yeah, as I said, everyone is quite helpful in here, and you can get your initiatives done very easily. You just have to start.
Yeah, cool. Like Sundar does everything, like all the video part, and he makes even a ugly video look so beautiful. Like you can ping him on any video. Then you did publish the first video, and one or two videos. So how was the response from the audience? Like how did they receive it, and how did you feel after watching the first recording of your initiative?
Well, our first guest was Jasmine Greenaway, and she is a gamer. She is a senior cloud developer. And so the first initiative itself, people were so excited about being an A-star gamer, and then A3 credited gamer, and sorry, and there was so much to learn from her story. And she was a professor itself, and she is a professor, and then there's so much, like the whole story has so much in it, and I could be missing so many things. So yeah, do watch that video. And basically I saw a lot of reviews, and there were people who were actually wanting to see something like this, and it was a boosting point for all of us in the team. And yeah, then we worked on the second episode, and yeah, reviews are quite good. So yeah, I would keep on working on that and getting it better every day.
So yeah, even I did watch the premiere of it, and like I got to know a lot about gaming and what are the things people face and what we need to do, how tough it is and all. If you are a gamer, or if you are not even a gamer, you can go watch that video. I'm sure you will love it. Like she explained how it goes and all. Okay, then coming to the final question, we would like to know what are your future planning for your initiatives.
Well, currently I am totally devoted to this Save to Be initiative, and maybe if something else comes up in my mind, I'll share it with everyone here, and so that I could get it running. And coming on to Dave to Be, I just want as many people, those who can inspire us and tell their stories, and get us going. Because at some point of time when we are struggling, we need a story to tell us that yeah, they struggle too. You do it too. You just have to keep on going and keep on working on yourself. So yeah, that's the initiative, and that is why I would want to keep working on the same and make it better every day, as I said.
So guys, if you want some person to be there on the dev to be, and you want to be, I mean, mentored by them, or you want to ask them some question, you can ping Nandini. Like, she will try to get in touch with them, and you can have your questions with them, and you'll get your question answered by them. And I would also like to mention, we have these workshops, and what we do, we teach you technical skills. If you have some technical skills and you want to share your knowledge, you can just ping us, and we will we will let you know that a right date and a time, so that we can share the things.
And yes, if you want to do a workshop on yourself, I will put a link in the description where there'll be a Microsoft Office form in which you can write a title and the topic on which you want to give, and we will approach you and make sure that we'll record you a session with you, and then we'll showcase your video as a workshop episode in this channel, the same channel. And yes, regarding the initiatives that we were talking about, I would just say that MSInspir has so many initiatives. There are weekly sessions on every Saturday, 3 p.m. GMT, 8:30 p.m. IST. You can come here to the same channel on Saturday and see inspire sessions. So many inspiring people coming in, and we also have a podcast in which few noticeable people have came and talked about awesome stuff. We do have MSInspir workshop, as Shashi mentioned, that where people like us, people ambassadors like us, would join hands and record sessions and do and provide workshop content. You can even go to the episodes and see and take. We would also have a GitHub repository for that. You can just go there, clone your content, and you can make a workshop for yourself by learning to this. And yes, not forgetting about dev2b also, where the host is itself on the video today. So in this dev2b we have Microsoft developers coming up on the session and talking about their life, how they started, and what are their backstories for that. And also the thing as mentioned, newsletter, MSInspir newsletter, in which we give you monthly updates so that you won't miss an important update, I would say. And awesome videos also we shared. Okay, so let's just wrap up this session. And yes, this was a video which is a part of the playlist we're creating, the Explorer's Guide to Being a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. There'll be a playlist in the description through which you can see the whole series of the tutorials we have done for a newbie, or I wouldn't say newbie, but a new guy who has joined the ambassador program. And yes, make sure you like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe, because we have so much awesome content. And MSInspir currently is like dishing out videos for every week, and there are so many awesome videos that are going to come and have come. So if you're free, just go to the channel and scroll through, and you'll see so much awesome content on various topics. Okay, so without further ado, let's just move on. Okay, so hey, so thanks for watching, and stay awesome, stay inspiring. Bye bye.
Right.